In this tutorial, you will learn some terms and concepts that are useful when making websites for your clients. Hosting is sometimes called a web hotel. It traditionally includes domain name servers, emails, and server space. Domain is the address of your website. Our domain is liquidblox.com. DNS or domain name servers map where to open the website from and where your emails are located at. None of these have to be with the same service provider. Emails are usually bought from the same service provider as domain and DNS, but really good option is, for example, Google's business Gmail. Server space has traditionally been used for hosting websites. SaaS means software as a service. It is something you can buy from the internet and start using without any installations. LiquidBlox is a SaaS platform. LiquidBlox is also a CMS, which means Content Management System. It is a software that allows website content changes with very little technical knowledge. AWS stands for Amazon Web Services. It's a cloud platform for SaaS businesses like LiquidBlox and Netflix. When using LiquidBlox, there is no need for other server space anymore. DNS is pointed to open the site from our SaaS platform. LiquidBlox uses as many AWS servers as needed at that time. It's all scalable and automated, so you don't have to worry about a thing. Here we go with some other useful terms. SEO, or Search Engine Optimization, is the process of finding out which search terms people actually search for related to your business. Also, how many searches there are per month, and how difficult it is to get traffic to your site with those terms. HTML5 is the latest version of the HTML markup language. LiquidBlox automatically generates HTML5 based on your visual design. Ssl Certificate enables website URLs starting with HTTPS. It is considered the secure way of browsing the web. Modern browsers show security alerts for sites without SSL certificate.